How to fix screen recording not showing in Control Center on iPhone iOS 18. So here is how to do it manually if it is missing. So let's get started. First of all, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Now scroll down and tap on the Control Center option available there. Then once inside Control Center, you can see Access within apps option available there. Make sure to toggle on that switch if it is toggled off. Now once you toggle on that switch, all you have to do is scroll down your Control Center. Scroll down from the top right corner of your screen. Then once inside Control Center, long press on the blank area. As you can see, I'm recording my screen right now. So my screen recording is right there on Control Center. If you do not find it, then you can scroll down and look for the screen recording and simply tap on it. So here, if you find the screen recording, all you have to do is tap on it and it will be added to your Control Center. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.